Ruth Maier was born in Vienna, Austria, to exceptionally well-educated parents. As the Nazi invasion became more imminent, Ruth was able to get to Norway, where she went to school, learned Norwegian, and became involved in a relationship with Gunvor Hofmo, who would go on to become a noted Norwegian poet. Ruth modeled for painter Asmund Esvald and for sculptor Gustav Vigeland. While modeling for Vigeland, Maier was surprised by another person entering the room and tried to cover her naked body, hence the posture and title of the sculpture, Surprised. On November 26 of 1942, Norwegian police arrested Maier in her boarding house, drove her in Norwegian trucks to the port, and on that same day, she, along with 531 other Jews, was deported to Germany on the SS Donau. And less than a week later, she arrived in Auschwitz, was sent directly to the gas chambers, where she was murdered at the age of 22. Posthumously, her diaries were found and published. She has been compared to Anne Frank because she depicted the changes in Austria and Norway as the Holocaust encroached. In 2012, Prime Minister Jens Stoltenberg, in a speech, apologized for Norway's role in the capture and transport to Germany. A street has been named after her, and the finished sculpture has been placed at Frogner Park in the Vigeland sculpture installation.